Let's review what you have learned about reading. What is a reading strategy? It's the action you do to help you understand what you are reading. Let's review the 3 reading strategies you learned in Level 1. What do all good readers do before they read? That's right. They preview and predict. Preview is looking at the title and looking at any pictures, and then you predict. Predict is guess what the reading is about, and you do this before you start reading. Now, do you remember what you can do while you read if you don't understand a word? That's right. You look at the vocabulary and context. You look at the words around the word you don't understand. Sometimes it could be 1 or 2 words, or sometimes it could be a sentence or two, and you try to guess the meaning. If after you do that you still don't understand the word, then look it up in the dictionary. And the last reading strategy you are going to learn today is finding the main idea. Finding the main idea is to see what the story is about. You watched a movie on TV last night. You are talking with a friend now, and your friend asks you, "What did you do last night?" And you say, "I watched a movie." And he says, "Oh, how was it?" You say, "Really good." And then he asks, "What was it about?" Do you tell your friend everything that happened in the movie? All the 2 hours? No. You tell your friend in a few words what the movie was about. You tell them the main idea of the movie. What was the movie about? It is the topic, the idea. Why is it important to find the main idea? Main ideas are important because they tell what all or most of the sentences in the reading are about. They also tell the topic of the paragraph, and they help readers remember important information. The main idea of a reading answers the question, what is the reading about? Okay, let's practice all 3 of the reading strategies you have learned in Level 1. So, the first one is previewing. Look at the picture. Now predict, guess. What do you think the reading is about? Now, look at the title, A Fun Time at the Beach. So now you look at the title and the picture, and now you are going to predict. What do you think the reading is about? Now, let's read. A fun time at the beach. There are many fun things to do at the beach. Swimming is one thing that can be done at the beach. Many people enjoy snorkeling. Playing beach volleyball is a lot of fun. It is also fun to look for shells. The shells come in so many different shapes and sizes. Some people like to sunbathe. You are never bored at the beach. Now, let's practice the reading strategy vocabulary and contest. Look at the word in red, shells. Do you know what shells mean? Maybe you don't. So look at the words around it. Look for shells. Come in so many shapes and sizes. Do you think you know what shells are? We'll check later. Let's find the main idea of the story we just read. So, is it A, it is also fun to look for shells? B, some people like to sunbathe? C, there are many fun things to do at the beach? Or D, you can swim at the beach? So, what is the main idea of the story? If you said C, there are many fun things to do at the beach, you are correct. Now, let's see if you guessed the word shells correctly. That's right. These are what shells are. You look for shells. And then maybe some of the other words were go snorkeling, play volleyball beach. When I'm at the beach, I sunbathe and go swimming.